In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a double exposure effect poster like this in Canva. First of all, you need to upload your image. Then you need to just add to design. First, choose the photo. Then I'm going to flip the photo here for my design. Then you need to remove the background of this image. Go to edit image. Then click on background remover. And after that, you need to click on add page. Then again, you need to choose the second image. Again, I'm going to flip the image here. Then what you need to do is just crop the image. Then move it to the left side. And after that, you just need to download this image. Go to download and download the crop image. After downloading the image, you need to upload that image in your Canva again. And click on add new page. Select the image and add to design. Then you need to go to apps. Search for easy reflection. Then choose the easy reflection app. Then create reflection. Then you need to choose right. And you can choose the offset here to 50 or 60. For this, I'm just going to choose 55. And you need to choose opacity to 100. Then you need to add to design. Then you will get the new design. So just click on another add page and choose this design and resize it. Then again choose this and go to flip and flip horizontal. Then again set the position of the image. Delete all this new page. Then choose this background remove of the image and put it in the second design. And just right click on it and choose the layer to send to back. Then position it. And as you can see, you will get a double exposure effect like this. Then you can choose the background. So just crop it, choose the background and go to the color. And you can change the color as you wish. You can choose gradient here. And you can also change the color of the gradient. Choose the gradient color. And you can change whatever color that you want. And then you can add some text here. Go to text, add a heading, write your text. And you can also change the color of your text. And you can just change the font of your text. And that's it, guys. This is how you can create an amazing double exposure effect poster like this in Canva. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.